Hi everyone! Welcome to our video for today. This is Lane at 18 years na akong negosyante mom, and I'm giving practical tips, motivations to those people who want to start their business. I also give tips for those business owners who wants to boost their sales. Ready ka na ba malaman kung ano ang 5 tips na kung saan pwede mong mag-grab ang attention ng iyong customer through Facebook ads? If ready ka na, tapusin mo ang video na ito hanggang sa huli para malaman mo. Number 1, compelling visuals. Gumamit ka ng high-quality videos or content na kung saan magagrab mo o makakatch mo ang attention ng iyong viewers. Focus on the value proposition dun sa benefits ng iyong product or services. Siguraduhin mo din na madaling mabasa ang text at easy to digest. Number 3, strong call to action. Maganda gumamit ka ng clear and compelling call to action para malaman ng mga nanonood ng ads mo kung ano yung susunod nilang gagawin. Whether it's shop now, learn more, sign up, or enroll now. Kapag meron kang strong call to action, it will encourage the users to take the next step. Gumamit ka ng mga verbs to prompt the immediate engagement. Number 4, audience targeting. Audience targeting. Target your ads to specific audience only to ensure that they are relevant and resonates with the right people. So, sa Facebook, nag-offer yan ng mga detailed targeting option based sa kanilang demographics, kung saan yung location nila, yung behavior nila, kung mahilig ba silang mag-click ng beauty products. And of course, you have to tailor your ads content to address the needs of the people or your target audience. Number 5, social proof. Mag-incorporate ka ng mga social proof elements like customer testimonials, product ratings, or pwede naman yung user-generated content in your ads. Yung mga tao kasi, mas nagtitiwala yan kapag may recommendations sa other people or sa other customers. And of course, sinushow-case din yan yung mga positive experience na nangyari sa kanila with your products or services. Kaya importante ang testimonials or social proof. Tandaan mo that you have to monitor it regularly, yung Facebook ads performance mo, by using the insights and adjust your strategy. So, kailangan mag-testing ka rin ng mga different strategies or visuals or copy variations para malaman mo kung ano nga ba yung correct Facebook ads mo na gagamitin mo sa susunod ng ads. Kung meron kang natutunan sa video na ito, like, share mo lang at mag-comment ka lang below ng thumbs up. So I hope you like it and I hope you learn from it. Happy sharing!